Sorkar Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Sorkar kadang ab ya ka jubab na ka Sorkar pedeng ha ka baydey bat ka jingterwa ban Plie ya ki yo Khappud bat ya ki land custom station bathamai ha shilinter ka Khappud jongkari India bat kari Bangladesh la pentep u simbol menteri rangba ka jalla uba singa balang dhar. Ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kala pha bun tli gi jingterwa sha ka Sorkar pedeng hanrei hadu menta ka Sorkar kampat a Ktien satya.
Numbers of proposal has been sent to central government in terms of border heart or this LCS. So we are waiting for the approval from the central government because this international thing. So we have to get consent both the side. Otherwise, they cannot open only from India. Either they cannot open only from Bangladesh. So the proposal is under screening as of now in the government of India, maybe in coordination with the government of Bangladesh.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.